Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with a Cap. Today we will study Chapter 5 Uniform. Chapter 5 Uniform. Art from Art and Activity Skill Book. Take out your purple color book. Take out your purple color book fast. Now, tell me, what is this? Uniform. You all have school uniform now? You all have school uniform? You wear school uniform early in the morning, then you will go to school. Then you will go to school? Yes. What is this? Uniform. What is this? Uniform. Start coloring in this. First of all, take out your crayons and now take out your blue color. This is shirt. This is shirt. Take out your blue color and start coloring with me. Which color is this? Blue. Which color is this? Blue. Next one is of socks. You wear socks now. When you go to school, you wear school uniform. Fill it fast. Which color is this? Blue. Which color is this? Blue. Now, next one is of brown color. Take out your brown color and start coloring with me. And do it neatly. Do it neatly. Now, take out your red color. Do it neatly and properly, okay? and fill the gaps. Fill the gaps. Now take out your pink color. Take out your pink color. I'm using purple, but you will take pink. And fill the gaps. All of you are enjoying. Complete it fast. Complete it. I hope you enjoyed a lot and you wear school uniform, then you will go to school. Yes. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class.